Hi friends, in this video I would like to show how to set up this beautiful RC racing boat, and this boat can flip itself in the water. So before we proceed, I would like to tell what the parts are. This is nothing but the stand of the boat to keep it uh, somewhere on the table or someplace, just an stand of the boat. This is the remote, this is the battery pack, this is the charger, and this contains actually two parts. This is a spare wings what we have in here. This is just a spare one, and this is something to protect the tip of the boat. So here it's a small dot, and when we squeeze it in, it fits like this. So this is nothing but just to protect the tip of the boat if it hits somewhere. Okay, and this stand is somewhat like this. Okay, here it goes. Wow, this looks really beautiful. Let me show you from the side. Okay, this looks really beautiful. Okay guys, now let me just show you how to set up the batteries. Okay, so okay, this is how it opens from here. This will get open. This is pretty easy. Okay, so you can see, like, let me show you. Okay, so this is pretty easy. You just need to rotate it to unlock. Okay, similarly you need to unlock this, and the last one, this. Now it pops out. Okay, so inside this is like the main motor. It has a coolant around to cool it, and this is the battery socket where we need to store the battery. So this fits in pretty well. Done. Now it is like perfectly fit. So in the battery there are two connector. The small one is to charge it. Here is the charger. The small one is to connect it to charge, and the big one is to connect it to the boat. Okay, yeah, here it is. So it's pretty easy to spot. The two big holes is for the boat. Okay, so notice here it's a locker, so when we squeeze in, it fits itself. Now it is connected. Okay, we are good. Now we can fit it back. It's locked, it's locked, it's locked, and the last one is locked. It fits. Now the main cover should go, the top part should go first, and then the lower part, and then here it is locked. So it is done. Okay, now the controller. The controller actually needs a screwdriver to open it. Okay, here it goes. Now it needs 6 AA batteries. It is done and done. And now the control part. Okay, this is how it is. It's all there in the manual how to control it. How to move forward. Okay, here it is showing how if the board gets flipped, then how to make it straight again. So this part just pops out. Okay, now we need to start this. Okay, the green light is on, basically means the frequency matches, and this is how it works. If I move it, if I squeeze that trigger, it will move forward. If I squeeze it like that, it will move backward. And this is basically for left right. Okay, and here I have some knobs, which is basically to see if it is to balance the board, if it is moving, rotating left, right or something, we can fine tune it. Okay, so once the board is in the water, then only it will start. It has some kind of sensor underneath. Okay, once the water is inside, then only it will start.